Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I've got for you here a Hobby Maxia van, VW base, 684 centimeters in length. It has a rear lounge and it costs 73,245 euros. Two belted positions, three more or less sleeping places, and standing height inside of 2 meters 5 centimeters. A huge amount of standing height inside, and that is, I think, something I personally find very attractive about this vehicle. I'm not particularly tall. I'm exactly the average height, 175 centimeters in height, but you know, I have friends who are tall and I have viewers who are tall, and I know of their problems. So that is something here I want to sort of bring out. When it says it's got 3 sleeping places, I think it means 3 down here. And well, I think that's a bit of a push, but yeah, maybe. Very long lounge at the back though, and obviously it converts into a bed as well, and with windows. Well, if it's a rear lounge, you do want a lot of windows. I think the windows could have been improved upon. They could have put a window here, for example, and they could have put one on the other side instead of putting this here. I don't even know what to call that, whatever that's called, and a ledge. And up there, that's well, maybe up there, no, there'd be storage up there, but the windows at the back could have been bigger as well, I think. Anyway, that's the first thing I'd have to say. Second, let's have a look up here. Storage, okay, you can't really get much storage to the rear lounge. Motorhome, a camper van, a motorhome as well, you can't get much. Got this ledge here. I do think ledges are pointless, but it has been pointed out to me that I don't have a hearing aid. Well, hearing aid surely could go in there, couldn't it? This, they could have extended that a bit or whatever, but then again, let's have a look at sitting down. Oh, so I'm sitting down, put the camera around, there we go. Oh, so I've got the thing above me. Yeah, no, I don't think I'd want this ledge, this thing here to be quite, I'd rather it was taken out, give me a bit more headroom, give the tall person a bit more headroom. I'm not tall. Table here, and obviously the table will move around as you choose. Right, here we've got the fridge, which will open both ways. There's one of the 2 ways it opens, and put your hangers up there. Kitchen block is the same as in just about every camper van. 2 burners, sink. Here we have the toilet, which, let's face it, this is really big inside. You probably wouldn't want a carpet down there. Well, if you would, that's what it looks like. And if you want to take it out, there's your tray underneath it. So we have 2 drainage points down there, and we have a door here which slides around to stop your toilet getting wet, which I personally think is pointless, but as every vehicle has something like that, and then maybe somebody else doesn't think it's pointless. Sink. I'll get in and show you how much space there is inside. Look at the space up here. Camper van, bear in mind. Look at that. This thing's a bit of a nuisance, but I suppose if I was in the shower, it'd be around here somewhere. I really want to know what other people do. Do they actually use these things? Do they use the shower curtain? No one's ever said anything to me. I mean, they say things about other things I don't like not having toilets in vans and things like that. People complain, so I don't understand. But what about this? No one's ever complained about me complaining about the shower curtain or the thing to stop the toilet getting wet. Anyway, let's have a look at the carpentry down here. Oh, very nice. very, very nice. And here we've got a big wardrobe and shelves. Well, it's not really a wardrobe because it hasn't got a hanger there. But anyway, actually, sort of, this is this could be the kit for making an extra bed from. And to be quite honest, these things are completely pointless in my opinion. If you're trying to make extra beds and things like this and carrying this much kit with you, which is taking up half your entire wardrobe, just get instead a inflatable mattress and a tiny pump, and it takes up, my inflatable mattress takes up, I would say, not much more than that. Anyway, right, up here they put some of Dometic's outdoor folding chairs. Folding chairs have to go somewhere. That's good for a bit of storage. And whereas normally I don't want storage up here, I like it all to be open. That's me. Other people may be different. I do appreciate storage is always at a premium. In this case, I'm going to make an exception. So let's have a sit down here. Admiring the kitchen extension, admiring a thing down there, the Kipo system where you can put your shoes in there or sandals. This is incredibly strong stuff. I put a walk in one like, which I shouldn't have done. Anyway, it pulled which really I should not have done, and it pulled the entire wall off. So anyway, so that shows how strong it is. I think for me, for a rear lounge motorhome, I do accept the fact, and I hope I made it very clear that okay, the window situation could be better, because I think if you want in a rear lounge, you want to have a look at what's going on. But I think that really this is a very attractive vehicle, and it's been competitively priced as well. So that's something worth bearing in mind. We've got down here place for an extra table, and of course got a bit of storage here, and here down there we'll find the boiler, and there's some more cushions which I bet is involved with making up an extra bed, which will probably go down here or something. Anyway, there isn't a lot of storage potential, but you've got to accept that if you've got a rear lounge. Anyway, let's have a look outside, have a look around, open the rear door. Right, okay, so this, first of all, the windows. I've never built anything on a VW Crafter, but I do think the windows could have been bigger than that. Right, there'll be some more information in the description below, and oops, I'm trying to get this to stay open. I don't want to stay open. There we go. Okay. You've got there the medium gas canister. That tells us that the heating is diesel. Most outdoor stuff in there. What have they put in here? Dometic Firenze folding chairs. So they're into carrying a few folding chairs with them. You know what? I still haven't got any folding chairs in my vehicle. Outdoor ones. You can see how the bed works as well from here. You've got the struts here that come along, but it's really well hidden, I have to say. It doesn't bother when you're sitting in there, and it'll slide out really quickly. Plenty of space, and there's your awning winch. So we've got another one here. We'll just have a look at that as well whilst we're here. Let's hope the lights work. This is a more standard one with a bed in the back, light switch here. Oh, it's an enormous bed though, isn't it? really big, and that's one person. Well, you get the general impression. So it's a good idea to put things like this on. Not only does it make it look a bit more homely and messed up bed, but also it protects the mattress when it comes to selling it. And I'll have a look in here, which is exactly the same. So this is the other version with a enormous bed in the back. Once more suitable for tall people. And I'll give you the price of this one, which is 74,530. This is same length, 684 centimeters. And you can get it financed. VW vans do tend to be somewhat expensive, and to start off with, so it's more expensive than you'd get with the Fiat Ducato. Having said that, I mean, with a lot of Fiat Ducato vans would cost exactly the same, if not more, and it is coming from Hobby, and which is a reliable manufacturer. So I hope you found that interesting. I upload every day at 21:15, and sometimes upload other times as well. But so from me in Dusseldorf for the moment, thanks for watching, and all the best for now.